The topic of today's video is how to sell crypto on Crypto.com's DeFi wallet. Now, DeFi wallet has been renamed to on-chain, and on-chain is just a wallet, so there's no way to sell crypto from on-chain. What you want to do is you want to move your crypto to an exchange. So in this video, I'll show you how to send your crypto from your on-chain to Crypto.com. Hence why we are on Crypto.com. And what we're going to do is click on deposit. Then we're going to click on crypto. And now you want to choose your specific coin. Let's just choose Bitcoin. We're going to choose our network, and then it's going to give us a wallet address. We're going to copy this wallet address and we can close out of Crypto.com. Then what we want to do is go to our on-chain, click on trade, click on send. Now, of course, I have no coins in here, but for you, whatever coins you have will show here. You'll click on a set coin, then you will paste in your wallet address, and you'll choose the amount of said coin that you want to send over. From on-chain to Crypto.com, sending is pretty fast, so it'll take a few minutes. And once done, the crypto will now be on Crypto.com, an actual exchange where you can trade your crypto for cash. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Please remember, this is not any type of financial advice. Any losses you incur are fully your responsibility. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.